Welcome to Decor with Z. Get ready to be inspired by the most amazing wooden interior design ideas that will transform your space into a cozy retreat. From rustic charm to modern sophistication, wood accents can add depth and character to any room. Whether it's a statement wall or a subtle trim, wood can elevate your interior design to new heights. Imagine a ceiling that's not just a surface, but a work of art. Wooden ceiling designs can add a touch of drama and sophistication to your space. Furniture made from wood is not just functional, but also a statement piece. From sleek and modern to traditional and ornate, wooden furniture can add warmth and personality to your space. And let's not forget about the foundation of it all, the floor. Wooden flooring can add a touch of warmth and coziness to your space. And with so many options to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect fit. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Get inspired by these amazing wooden interior design ideas and transform your space into a work of art. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow for more interior design inspiration and ideas.